We're in Nyeri County. Yes.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in.
Watu wangu bado niko. So we are done with the kitchen as well, and as you can see, I believe you've seen the before of this kitchen. So you're going to be seeing the after and the progress, how we progressed with the work, and how we've left it. Yeah. I'm just clearing up a bit. So you're going to be seeing the before of this kitchen.
You say it's hard to I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in on my heart if you want to. You can ask me.
The work progress.
Say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in on my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no secrets. No secrets, no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets.
And this is the after. As you can see, the counters are clear, and you're going to be seeing where we put each and everything. And this is how the work went on. If you remember, this cooker was not here. We interchanged, and we tried to do something there just to make it, nice and cool. And then we moved the cooker and interchanged the two positions. So the cooker now is near the worktop, because this is where you're working from and then cooking. And then from there, this was the, as you can see the spice drawer. This is how it is now. It's taking the tea leaves, the salt, things that you need very quickly in cooking, and the lighter. And the other drawer has the cutlery, so the spoons, gadgets, kitchen gadgets, and then the knives. Yeah, my client was very excited about that, because these muikos were not even in this position. When she came to cook, she was like, "Where are my muikos?" Hata ananisikia, anajua, anacheka. So yeah, that's how it is. And then the last drawer, it had lids, if I can remember. It had lids, so we did vichungi, graters, and kitchen towels. Yep. And then here, remember what we had here. This is the before, and now this is the after. This is what we have. So these bottles, it's easier to this can slide in and out. Yeah, because they are the bottom, so it's easier to reach. And then the utensils, those utensils were in the pantry. We brought them there, and I know she's going to manage because now she can reach her things very easily. And then the sufurias we've put here are sufurias she uses more often. What she doesn't use every other time, we put it in the pantry. The pantry is quite spacious, and since this kitchen doesn't have top cabinets, that's why we used this particular cabinet. Maybe these are utensils and a little bit that are in the. She's a minimalist. Hey, I need to copy this. A real minimalist. Down here, we don't have much. Plastics, vifuniko, and the jug. And then under the sink, we did not put anything. She prefers it to be like that. That's how it is. There's nothing inside there. And now the utensil drainer is clear. We had 2 drainers over here, and now we have one, and it's clear of utensils. Again, guys, this is not a storage. This is just for draining water. Once the utensils drain water, then you need to use your kitchen towel and wipe them off, the remaining water, and put them in the storage. Tuache kuweka vyombo kwa draining racks. Yes, and this place, do you remember what was here? There was a microwave. That's how it is. This is a chopping board, by the way. It's not a deco. But you use it once it's not in use. You can just play with it and it stands out nicely. Yes, let me show you where we put the microwave. Ilikuja hapa karibu na dining. It's just here. Hii pantry yetu hata you could not get inside. Haungeingia ndani. But not because it's not spacious. At some point, even you, as probably I don't know you, but this is just a message to you guys. You might think your house is small. You might think your house does not fit your things. But I think it's your things that are many. I know that your house is small. It's your things that are many. Try declutter. Try remove what you don't need. Try remove unnecessary items. We put very unnecessary items in our houses. This space, as you can see, the before, how it was, there was no space. But now there is. Ilitoka happy. And we've not thrown anything important. We haven't. Yeah? There is space here. Remember? Ilikuwa inafika huko. Sasa hakuna. We've left for her room to get some things. She needs to shop. Some things once she shops, then she'll have a space over here to put them. And this space we left for groceries. So she's going also to be restocking quite a number. Yeah. And then down there we did toiletries and the likes of soaps and all. And then hapa kuna extra mtungi. And down there we have things, but at least everything can be seen, and someone can tell what it is and reach it easily. Here we have the shopping bags. This is where we put them. Yeah, tumeziweka hapa vizuri, zikatoshea. Remember here there were potatoes. That's how we did with them. This is the rack. We try as much as possible to reuse the things that you have. This is the rack that was a sink drainer. And then this one is the one that was taking other groceries with the nyanya and all. So that's how we did it. And we put it under the cabinet, so it's not taking any space within the pantry. Electronics came there. Yeah. And there's room for more, just in case. And then these are fridge containers to lizileta hapa. Because there again, remember there's no space. And then these things here. We have these dishes. And thermos. These are thermos hazitumiki. That's why we've hit them there. Then here we also have things that are not in use all the time. Again, these are for the oven. And these in trays. Yeah. Up there, those are things that she doesn't use. She does not use actually. It takes a while before she uses them. So we put, in fact, those were there. We just added a few and removed others. Here we have meds, medication, and then up there we have things that are extra on that row. On the very upper row there, those are dishes that she uses only when she has visitors, so there's no need of removing them from there because they're not in use. And then the other shelf, this one, she'll put other extra shopping. And then on this one, this is where we put now the things that she's using in the kitchen. So as you can see, we did all these containers, we found her with them. In fact, I don't think she knew she has so many. So we reused her containers. Yeah, we did not buy others. We just used what she has. And then we made it a bit functional. I was changing the direction of the lid there, and this one as well. And then down here we have breakfast, cereals, and then milk, eggs in the fridge, and then here this is a bit of baking, and then bread. Yeah, this is used oil. This is used oil. Na tuvitu tudogo. Those are lunch bags. And then now the big sufurias, like I told you, this she doesn't use so much, and the dishes. Yeah, and the pantry is complete. I think I love this space so much. Let me just get out so you can see, because now it's more spacious and we've created more room even for other things that you can put. That's how it came out.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no secrets, no secrets, no.
9 p.m. This is the time we are leaving Nyeri, but I believe it was an amazing time that we had. Yeah, so we are excited of what we have done. I hope our client is happy as well. And yeah, if you need us and you're out of Nairobi, just reach us. We'll be willing to come and work and do something amazing in your house. Please, 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 please. Hata nimekumbushwa na watoto wa hii nyumba. Ati mbona siwaambii msubscribe. They've said you guys, you need to subscribe to their house organizing video. So please do that. Just do that on behalf, for the sake of these two beautiful, amazing kids. Just subscribe, like if you, kama umependa hii video, tupatie your thumbs up. Usiende nayo, just finya, click, and we'll be happy. And then don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time you upload a new video, you're notified. So don't forget. Share the video to your colleagues and acquaintances and those people you think will benefit from all these amazing organizing ideas. Kindly don't just keep it to yourself. Thank you.